Hey everyone, so it's Gemma and we've had some questions this week on how to use a dry shampoo and when you should use a dry shampoo. So we now have the Water Killer by EVO. This one is $38 that you can buy on our website. You also get a free little mini one, so this is really good to just pop in your handbag when you go out or when you're at work. So the best way to use a dry shampoo is for anyone who has an oily scalp. So I find with my hair, I get quite an oily scalp. My skin is also oily too, so I need to have dry shampoo. So how it works, you shake your can and we basically will spray in the areas that you feel you need to soak up any sort of oiliness. So what I usually do is I spray around my hairline. That's usually the main part where we start to see any sort of oily elements coming up. I also find around my part and my crown is where I find to get a bit oily as well and a bit flat. So the good thing is about a dry shampoo is that it also works as almost like a powder spray and a volume spray. So you just spray on, you leave it for 2 minutes and you can just move it around a little bit, style your hair, and you're ready to go for the next couple of days. So that's the EVO Water Killer. Thanks guys.